Tiri kuendera mberi nequestion paper redu. Tava panumber 26. Question paper redu rakanyorwa in 1999. ZIMSEC Ordinary Level Mathematics Paper 1. Question number 26 iri kuti in 1999 a television set had a marked price of $7,370. Part A, Mr. Mogo paid cash and was allowed 15% discount. Calculate the discount. Part A iri kuti Mr. Mogo paid cash and was allowed 15% discount. Calculate the discount. Saka statement iri ratiudza kuti the price of the television set. So the price is 7,370. Saka kana A ichida kuti ticalculate a 15% discount. Tiringoda ngotsvaga 15%, which is 15 over 100 times 7,370. Kucalculate 15 over 100 times 7,370, 0e yakukanzelana ne-e. Then panapa togona kuti tikaisa 5 muno muchaita 2. Tikaisa 5 ichava 3. Saka tavana 3 times 737. To multiply my numerator. So it's times 3 panapa. 3 times 7, 7, 14, 21. So 1 carry 2. 3 times 39 plus 2, 10, 11, 1, carry 1. 3 times 7, 7, 14, 21, 21 plus 1 is 22. So here we have 2211 divided by 2. Saka 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 1 is 0, 2 into 11 ndi 5, tana 1, add the decimal place, 2 into 5, 2 into 10 ndi 5, 2 into 0 yata add as a decimal place ndi 0. What our answer is going to be $1,105.50. This is the discount. So to calculate a discount akuna kutinetsa tangotsvaga 15% of the price, which is $7,370. Let us go to B. B iri kuti Mr. Dube bought the television set through a lay-by scheme. In this scheme, he paid an initial deposit of 5 over 8 of the marked price. So tisatenda kure, let us collect data. Saka taudzwa kuti he paid an initial deposit. An initial deposit yands of 5 over 8 of the marked price. The marked price being $7,370. So 5 over 8 of the marked price, and then 3 equal monthly installments. Saka pane 3 equal monthly installments. 3 equal monthly installments. So azvanzi, before he collected the television set, calculate each monthly installment. So zvatita panapa ndezvekuti tichada kutanga tatsvaga kuti initial deposit ichii. So initial deposit iri equal to 5 over 8 multiplying 7370. 8 anopinda iro. 8 into 8 ndi 1. 8 into 73. So 8 into 73 ndi 9. Because 9 times 8 ndi 72. Kureva kuti pane a remainder of 1. 8 into 17 ndi 2. Why? Because 8 times 2 ndi 16. Kureva kuti pane a remainder of 1. 8 into 10 ndi 1. A remainder of what? 9, 10. A remainder of 2. There's a placeholder. 8 into 20. It's 8, 16 ndi 2. A remainder of 4 with another placeholder. Then 8 into 14 ndi 5. Kureva kuti panapa tazosarwa tina multiplying manumerator edu. We have 921.25 multiplying 5. 5 times 5 ndi 25, 2, 5 times 2 ndi 10 plus 2 ndi 12, carry 1, 5 times 1 ndi 5 plus 1 ndi 6, 5 times 2 ndi 10, also carry 1, 5 times 9 ndi 45 plus 1 becomes 46, 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. So this is the initial deposit. But mashandiro anoita deposit ndeyekuti uruda unotenga chinhu wonzi tipe a deposit. What we have to do is tofanira subtract a deposit from the marked price kuti tiwane remaining money kana kuti remaining balance. Ngatiti remaining balance. Mari yaunofanira kuzonobhadhara. So remaining balance is equals to chati marked price subtracting deposit kana kuti initial deposit. What is the marked price? Marked price is 73.70. So 73.70, there's a 2 decimal places panapa, subtracting 4606.25. Then we add 10 here, add 1. Divided 10 minus 5 into 5, do the same. 10 minus 3 into 8 is 7. Then 0 minus 7, so it have to the same. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. Then we also do the same panapa. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then 7 minus 5 into 2. Kurati ndiyo mari yakasara after vabvisa initial deposit ndiyo mari yakasara. Let us go back to our question. Question yati, Mr. Dube bought the television set through a lay-by scheme. In this scheme, he paid an initial deposit of 5/8 of the marked price and then 3 equal monthly installments before he collected the television set. Calculate each monthly installment. So kuti calculate each monthly installment. Saka tungoda 1 monthly installment since ones they are equal. So a monthly installment is going to be equal to totora this balance yanga yasara after paying the deposit 2763.75 to divide na 3. Saka panapa chati 3 into 3 ndi 1, 3 into 27 ndi 9, 3 into 6 ndi 2, 3 into 3 ndi 1, 3 into 7 ndi 2 with the remainder of 1, and then 3 into 15 ndi 5. Kureva kuti every month achabhadhara $921.25. Yeah, 1999 ma TV aidhura. Inguva yema black and white TV and aiwanikwa maigona kuita rocation rune TV kana kuti imwe chete rocation rwese. Saka vakakura nguva idzi kwaiva kutoenda ikoko unoona wrestling kunodini, then masvika mainzi unofanirwa kutanga unofanirwa kubvisa bhutsu. Vamwe vaita vane mutemo kuti unopinda mumba wageza tsoka etc. So this is how we do it. Let us go over to the next question. Tavapa last part yequestion yedu, which is part C. C iri kuti the marked price in 1999 was a result of a 10% increase over the marked price of the previous year. Kurati pakaitika inflation. Calculate the marked price of the television set in 1998. So taudzwa kuti the marked price in 1999 was a result of a 10% increase over the marked price of the previous year. Kureva kuti kana tikati previous year marked price 100%, saka kana tikati muna 1998 marked price 100%, zvinoreva izvo kuti muna 1999 marked price inenge iri 110. Because once the marked price in 1999 was a result of a 10% increase over the marked price of the previous year. Saka kana previous year marked price iri 100%, zvoreva kuti the next year marked price inenge ya plus 10. since hence it's a 10% increase. So we are going to use this to form proportion. So in 1999, which is 110%, the marked price, it's what? It's 7,370. In 1998, which is now 100, the marked price is unknown, X. Saka these are the statements of proportion. Kusolva proportions vatakuita manje ndezvekuti, let us solve here. Tichati 110 over 100. Panapa tangoisa division line. This is equal to 7370 dividing X. Then kusolva panapa aya mazero akakanzelana. Then cross multiplication. Saka tavana 11 multiplying X, it's equal to 7370 multiplying 10. So 11x, it's equal to 73700. Saka we have to divide with 11 both sides, the right and the left. Cancel out here. Then takuti 11 into 11 ndi 1. 11 into 73 should be 6, since 11 times 6 are 66. Saka panapa ndi 6. Then takuda kuziva isusu kuti remainder ndiyani. Saka 73 subtracting 66 zvoreva kuti 13 minus 6 is 7. Saka panapa ndi 7. 11 into 77 ndi 7. 11 into 0 ndi 0 into 0 ndi 0. Saka X is equal to 6,700. Question here to calculate the marked price of the television set in 1998. So answer I do not. Therefore, marked price in 1998 is equal to $6,700. So this last part we want to prove it. So I'm going to use a different color because this proof is not part of your solution. Kana uchiweka question msimsek paper, you do not have to prove. Asa hapa ndiri kuzviita because kuda kudzidza. It's a learning curve. So let us prove. This is going to be our proof. Saka in 1998, latiti marked price yedu it's 6,700. Then question yedu yati there was a 10% increase. Saka kuda kuziva kuti 10% ya 6,700 ndiyani. So what is 10% ya ishi? So 10% is 10 over 100 multiplying 6,700. Then 0 ikakancela ikakancela zvoreva kuti our answer it's 670. But price inofanirwa kuincrease with this amount kuti izova price yani ya 1999. Saka tikaedda ne tofanirwa kuwana the price of 1999. So let us see kuti answer yedu iri correct here. 670. So ngatiedde itoni. 0 plus 0 ndi 0, 0 plus 7 ndi 7, 7 plus 6 ndi 13, 1 panapa, 6 plus 1 ndi 7. Saka price ya 1999 is 7370 here. Tikaya panapa is 7370. Kureva kuti trust our answer pa C. We did the correct working. So this is how we deal with money in mathematics. If you have any question, panapa pane zvataweka, bvunza mu comment section. Kana une umwe mubvunzo we O level maths, bvunza mu comment section zvakare. I wish you justice. Kune vese vari kuona mavideo aya vachiprepare for their O level maths exams. Thank you.